Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Forget Galaxy S26. After gradually upgrading the camera in the Galaxy S26 series, Samsung is hinting at more significant hardware improvements in the most futuristic Galaxy S27 flagship lineup. Samsung, like any other manufacturer, is constantly innovating and working on its next product. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Forget the S26, Samsung on Galaxy S27 has finally begun filming. What can we expect? Samsung unveiled it just yesterday, and first impressions from reviewers are still coming in. According to the latest preliminary news data, the Galaxy S26 series saw minor camera improvements, but the next generation could see a more significant upgrade. The Galaxy S26 series has just been unveiled, and as with previous leaks, they feature only minor improvements to the camera hardware. Samsung is once again focusing on the software of its flagship series, which could be a deciding factor for some potential Galaxy S26 buyers. However, in the next generation, Samsung may introduce more significant hardware improvements, or so it seems. Speaking at a roundtable discussion with Android Authority, Samsung executives were asked about the company's lack of focus on significant camera improvements year after year. Executive Vice President Joshua Cho responded, "We're always, constantly thinking about what the best combination is at any given time. Therefore, new hardware and software combinations will emerge in the future, so I ask for your patience and consideration." Without confirming or mentioning the Galaxy S27 series, Cho assured that Samsung continues to work on significant camera improvements. The company is working not only on software, but also on hardware enhancements, at least for its future flagships. Does this mean if you are planning to upgrade to the Galaxy S26 series, you should wait until next year? Perhaps. That said, the Galaxy S26 Ultra does feature improved apertures for both the main and telephoto cameras. Furthermore, the privacy display feature seems quite robust and significant. The sales of the new Galaxy S26 series will start on March 11th, and the future Galaxy S27 lineup is expected early next year. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.